Father, I am so delighted that I can depend upon your working in me and through me as a real experience, completely different from physical sight or feeling. Such understanding is too wonderful for me. What an honor. I am in astonishment of the fact that I can go forth praising and at rest, believing you and obeying you and ceasing from the burden of trying to manage myself without your insight, wisdom, and power. I extol you, my Lord, because you are the Good Shepherd who laid down his own life for the sheep. You are the one who enters through the gate, the shepherd of the sheep. Shepherd of Israel, you who lead Joseph's descendants like a flock. O God, enthroned above the cherubim, I bless you, for you will display your radiant glory. You are exalted, Lord, for you are the one who feeds your flock. You gather the lambs with your arm and carry them in your embrace, and gently lead those who are with young. You are not only the shepherd of the sheep, most assuredly, Lord, you are the door of the sheep. For through you, we both have access by one Spirit unto the Father. You are indeed the door, and I thank you for the grace to find you and to enter through you. I am saved, and I come in and go out and find pasture. O Lord, I bless your holy name, for I am continually illuminated by your light and your Spirit. Your candle shines upon my head, and by your light I walk through darkness. For you are my God, and I am to the personality of your pasture and the sheep of your hand. So I, the sheep of your pasture, will give you thanks forever. I will show forth your praise to all generations. O my Lord, you are my shepherd to feed, to guide, and to shield me, and I shall never lack any good thing. I bless you, Lord, because I can rest in the full assurance that I am your personal point of concern. You are the Good Shepherd. You know your sheep, and your sheep know you. Your sheep hear your voice, and you know them, and they follow you. O God, I hear your voice only, not the voice of deception of the stranger. I shall not lack for direction. For the rest of my life, I subscribe to work in obedience to the Holy Spirit. Thank you for the grace to give myself up to be led by you, that I can go forth worshiping and praising and resting, allowing you to manage me and my seconds, my minutes, my hours, my days, and my entire life. Thank you that I can ecstatically rely on you through the day, expecting you to lead, to instruct, to rebuke, to teach, to use, and to perform your work in me as you wish.